Do you even lift, bro? Brie Larson certainly does, and she claims her fitness training for Captain Marvel has made her a powerful woman. The actress endured months of intense exercise for her role as Carol Danvers in the upcoming Marvel Cinematic Universe movie. She was eventually able to lift over a whopping 225 pounds and hip thrust over 400 pounds. Now that's hench. She explained to InStyle that she believes her fitness training has broken boundaries of what it means to be a woman. She felt it was meaningful to show how a woman can be muscular and able to own her body. Brie has kept her fans updated on her impressive workouts as she regularly updates her Instagram with videos of her working on getting those gains. The 21 Jump Street actress plays the first female superhero to have a standalone film in the MCU. And she sees it as her form of activism since the film can play all over the world and be in more places than she physically can. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.